On a vast construction site, the sound of machinery echoes rhythmically like a symphony of industry. A gigantic truck, its massive frame resembling a steel behemoth, slowly approaches the excavator. The excavator, with its powerful arm, skillfully scoops up enormous loads of earth and deposits them into the truck's bed. Each scoop is a graceful yet forceful performance, perfectly synchronized with the patience of the truck. Together, they collaborate, load by load, trip by trip, until a new road gradually takes shape. This scene not only showcases the power of technology, but also symbolizes teamwork and progress, transforming rugged terrain into smooth pathways that connect dreams ahead. Across a vast golden wheat field, the sunlight paints a glowing picture of the harvest season. Gigantic combine harvesters, towering and robust, move rhythmically like diligent steel giants. As the machines glide over the rows of wheat, their sharp blades slice through the stalks with precision. Each golden ear of wheat is swiftly pulled into the harvester's system, where grains are delicately separated and flow into the storage bin like a golden cascade. Behind them, straw balers work tirelessly. These machines gather the leftover stalks, rolling them into neat, compact bales, ready to serve as livestock feed or for further processing. The entire field transforms into a vibrant canvas of activity, showcasing the harmony between human ingenuity and the might of technology. Every grain harvested is not just the gift of nature, but a testament to the incredible advances in agricultural machinery. The harvest concludes with joy and hope for even greater yields in the seasons to come. On an endless runway, a colossal airplane appears, like a mighty steel eagle towering against the sky. Its massive body stretches long, with wings so wide they seem to embrace the entire horizon. The engines roar thunderously, a testament to the immense power concealed within. This aircraft is not just a mode of transport, but a marvel of engineering and technology. It can carry hundreds of passengers or tens of tons of cargo, covering thousands of kilometers in just a few hours. Every detail, from the state-of-the-art cockpit to the spacious cargo hold, is meticulously designed to serve humanity and push the boundaries of what's possible. As it takes off, the world seems to pause for a moment, yielding to its grandeur and the sense of conquering the vast skies. It stands as a symbol of progress, elevating humanity's dreams of flight to unparalleled heights. Amid the noise and dust of the scrapyard, a gigantic car-crushing machine stands like a powerful steel monster. With its massive jaws and razor-sharp blades, it doesn't just destroy, but transforms everything it touches. An old car, once a symbol of speed and comfort, is now fed into the machine. The sound of metal crunching echoes as every part of the car is crushed. Its body, windows, and even the sturdy frame. Bit by bit, the remnants slide down the conveyor belt, returning to their raw state as compact blocks of metal ready for recycling. This car crusher is not merely a tool of destruction, it embodies the cycle of renewal. It carries a profound message about resource efficiency, turning what seemed like waste into materials for creating something new. Amid the industrial noise, there's a quiet sense of purpose in how it contributes to building a more sustainable world.